Who's in here? Why, it's my Miles. Hi, baby. Hi. You're being a very good boy. You like the bathtub, huh? You're so cute. You have to keep your medicine on, baby. That's why you're in here for 10 minutes. You don't like it all that much. But little dog boys and little dog girls have to get a bath. You're my big boy. Hi, baby. Miles. Miles gonna get a treat? Miles, you gonna go get a treat and go play with Franny? Bye, baby. I love you. Gonna finish giving you a bath. Say bye, YouTube.